solution of inequalities, where we have two different examples talking about the three lowest possible values and the three greatest values which satisfy an inequality. So the first example says, given that x is an integer, find the three lowest possible values of x. So the first one says 3x plus 2 is greater than 9. So we have 3x plus 2, where we have 3x will now be 9 minus 2. We have 3x to be less than 7. We have x to be less than 7 over 3. So we have our x to be 2 whole number 1 over 3. So the lowest possible value of x will now be 3, 4, and 5. As number is increasing, we have it to be 3, 4, and 5. These are the three lowest possible values of x. In cases where we have 7 minus 4x less than 2, so we have minus 4x less than 2 minus 7. So we have minus 4x less than minus 5. So we have x to be less than minus 5 over minus 4. We have our x that be less than 1 whole number 1 over 4. So here, as number is increasing, we have our numbers to be 2, 3, and 4. So the numbers are 2, 3, and 4. That is for the lowest possible values of x. Now for 11 minus 2x less than 4, we have it to be minus 2x less than 4 minus 11. So we have minus 2x less than 4 minus 11 is 7. So we have x to be minus 7 over minus 2. So we have x to be less than, we have it to be 3, 1 over 2. So lowest possible values of x will now be 4, 5, and 6. Now the next example, which says that given that x is an integer, find the three greatest values of x which satisfy the inequality. Basically, when it comes to lowest possible values, the values are usually positive, and for the greatest values, the values are usually negative. So for our first example, we have 7x plus 13 minus 2x. So we have 13 less than 2x minus 7x. So we have 13 less than minus 5x. So we have 13 over minus 5 less than x. So here we have it to be minus 2 whole number 2 over 5, 3 over 5 less than x. So this will now be, when it comes to the greatest value, we have it to be minus 5, minus 4, and minus 3. So the greatest values are always decreasing when we have minus 5, minus 4, and minus 3. So we have 7x plus 13. Okay, we have, now the next question says 3a minus 17 greater than 7a. So we have minus 17 greater than 7a minus 3a. So we have minus 17 greater than 4a. So we have minus 17 over 4 greater than a. So here we have minus 4, 1 over 4, which is greater than a. And here, as is increasing, we have minus 7, minus 6, and minus 5. These are the values of x which satisfy the inequality. Now, for our last example, we have 10a plus 19 less than 8a. So we have 19 less than 8a minus 10a. So we have 19 less than minus 2a. So we have 19 over minus 2 less than a. Here we have minus 9 whole number 1 over 2 less than a. So the numbers here will be minus 12, minus 11, and minus 10. So we saw examples on solution of inequalities where we have the lowest possible values of x and the lowest and the greatest possible values of x and a. And this brings us to the end of our class on solution of inequalities. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment, and I'll be seeing you in the next class. Thank you.